Now, naglabas naman siya ng bagong usapan na may recorded daw between Westcom and a Chinese official. Ito ay kasama sa disinformation. Pero lahat na sinasabi nila, I call it part of Marites warfare.
Marites warfare.
Marites
May
warfare.
bago po tayong term ngayon.
To sow intrigue among us Filipinos na tayo ang mag-away-away. And we will be diverted from the true issue, which is China encroaching into our territorial domain in the West Philippine Sea. Anybody could say anything. Anybody could connect the dots and link certain actions to what is happening. That leave has been filed last month. Kumbaga, bago lumabas yung issue na to, naandun na yon. It just so happened na more or less coincidental na just before the issue, nag-leave siya. But that has been pre-arranged before, pre-planned, and it was approved already, even before the issue came out. Today's warfare is less of kinetic action, kinetic versus kinetic. It's more of deception. It's more of false narratives. It's more of shaping the perception of the public. Para ang taong bayan, pag sila nagsabi na ayaw namin ng ganito, hihina ang fighting spirit ng tao. Lalo napapatibay natin ang sense of nationhood. Lalong pinapatibay natin yung pagmamahal sa sarili natin. Sapagkat ang kalaban natin dito, hindi yung kapwa Pilipino. Ang kalaban ay dayuhan.